You mentioned one diet, which was just don't eat ultra processed foods, focus on real nutrient dense foods. So we got one of the dietary changes. What would you say is another two for the diet?
Yeah, I would say another big one is increase your protein and animal protein primarily. That I think is a very powerful tool helping people to avoid hunger, right? And hunger is a big driver of, why we eat poorly. And so eat real food, lots of animal protein. That's kind of my basis of how we get people on a sustainable and successful dietary approach.